Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, it's a little bit different. We're going to talk about things that sold in my Whatnot Buy It Now. Okay, so this is Whatnot. I do live auctions, but I also have a Buy It Now. So these items either sold just when people were shopping the marketplace, or during my shows, people have the option to go in and look at my Buy It Now items. And if they buy during a show, they get discounted shipping. So I'm going to show you some of my solds. These items, most of them, if I think maybe all of them, were cross-posted to eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and they sold faster on Whatnot. I'll try to remember if it sold during a show or on my marketplace. I have had a few shows where I just go on and I do a Buy It Now show, and I show you guys items in my Buy It Now, and then I offer them at a flash sale. So some of them sold that way as well. Lots of options on Whatnot. It's just not an online app where you sell auction style. You do have options to do Buy It Now. So if you guys aren't following my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I am Bolo Buddies across all platforms, and I am Bolo Buddies on Whatnot. So if you're not following me there, I would love for you guys to come and hang out at a show. And if you guys have any questions, you can put them in the chat during my shows. I try to answer those. And this one here is a wood bead bracelet with a Catholic charm. And unfortunately, there's not a way for me to pull these up any bigger, but you will get the idea. This was sold during a show. It wasn't listed very long. These sold rather quickly. I have two of them here. And I was live doing a show, and somebody bought this from my Buy It Now. This one sold for $25. And I will say that the little Catholic charm that was on it was a very old charm. So that could have been possibly what they were looking for. This one sold for $28. The next one is this vintage hand-carved cameo left-facing woman. I sold this one for a best offer of $64.80 during a show. This gal bought other items. This gal did not. She came into my show and just made an offer on a Buy It Now item, and I accepted it. So she didn't buy anything else. The good thing, like I said, is if I'm having a live show for my jewelry shows, I put on flat rate, which means the most you're going to pay for shipping during the show is $9.21. I do have a video right here, how to ship on Whatnot for beginners. You can check that out where I explain that more in depth. And if you've never sold on Whatnot before and you want to learn how to sell on Whatnot for beginners, start to finish. So those are the two main videos that I have. If you've never been on Whatnot before, I do have a referral link down below. You can join and get $15 to shop with that. But listen, if you want to become a seller, after you join as a buyer, come back and use my other referral link. And if you go live and do auctions, Whatnot does like if you use the referral link, they do like a price match thing. I can't remember exactly what it is, but you can click on the link down below, the referral link, and join with that, and it'll tell you exactly what that is. So let's see, let's do another one here. So how do I decide what to put in my Whatnot Buy It Now versus what to put in my auctions? Well, that's a good question. Am I cherry picking? Not necessarily. There will be times when I go through something and I'll see something and be like, okay, this is probably going to be a better platform item because it's probably not going to sell very good on Whatnot. There's just certain things. There was something I just showed in another what sold video. I bought it off of Geek Nurse's Treasures here on Whatnot, and I paid either $3 or $5 for it, and it was an oddity brooch. And I was going to put it on Whatnot, and I probably would have done well on Whatnot, but I just kept thinking to myself, I want to see if this type of thing would sell good on eBay. And I listed it on eBay. And plus, now I get to shout out Geek Nurse's Treasures because she's fabulous. And you guys all need to follow her because she's on Saturday nights and she has amazing jewelry at great start prices. But I flipped it for $70, I think within 2 or 3 days on eBay. So it was definitely a good eBay item. So, also, it'll depend on where I get the items. So sometimes I go to garage sales and my cost of goods, some of the garage sales, people know what they have and you're paying more for the item. So those may be a platform item instead of a, here, like, let me give you an example. All of these rings right here were a garage sale purchase. So I paid up for these. So these are platform items. I could bring them to Whatnot, start them low, and risk losing money. Or I could put them in my buy it now, do a buy it now show, offer them at a flash sale, or take offers during my show. So this is my buy it now. And I am trying to get more items over here that are not jewelry. So you guys can be on the lookout for that. I'm putting lots and lots of stuff over here, but I'm going to tell you what, I've been having a lot of success with toys and ornaments being sold from my buy it now. And the egg trinket boxes, you'll see when I show you my solds. But yeah, lots of things over here. So you guys can check out my buy it now if you want when you come to my shows. These are all loaded into the buy it now tab, and you can check that out during my show. So I hope that you guys will do that. So let's go back over here and see what else sold. This one here was a Whitney Kelly 925 sterling silver, and it had a little bit of a problem. It almost looked like an ink spot, but I think it was just maybe some variation in the stone. I took a best offer of $52 during a Whatnot show for that to somebody that was in the show. This one, I didn't even know until after my show that it sold. It's a 925 Italy necklace, extender, or bracelet. This was big enough of an extender to be worn as a bracelet. It'd make a great charm bracelet. I sold this for $20. And it sold during my show, but they didn't buy anything else. So people do come in that don't want to sit through a whole auction, and they just look at your buy it now and buy things. So there is definitely potential. This is a 925 Sunshine Sun Face, and it's a size 5.5, so it is smaller. I got this from Lucky Day Living on Whatnot. So she was doing a wheel spin show, which was super fun. It was her first time doing it, and man, she beefed it up, and the way she did it was just fabulous. So check out Lucky Day Living if you're not. She does other types of shows as well. But I sold this for $42, and I'm not sure what my cost of goods was because most of them I got like between 2 and 4 and sometimes 5 items depending on the wheel spin and how she was adding items. It was just really a fun show. So yeah, but I probably had less than $10 in it. The next item is this Hallmark ornament, and I actually sold this one last night, and I want to say they offered me $17.60. And as I was saying, this one has been sitting on eBay and Poshmark and Mercari for a little while. So I jumped on that offer of $17.60. And the platform fees on Whatnot are like Poshmark is 20%. It's less than 20%. Can't remember exactly what the breakdown is, but something to consider. Now, here we go. If you guys don't know about List Perfectly, it's a cross posting service that I use, and I've been using it since 2019. So I have been cross posting to eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari for years. I did Etsy for a little while, but just wasn't really for me. Started Whatnot, and now they offer it to Whatnot. And loving this, okay? Loving it. So I'm trying now to currently get listings from eBay over to Whatnot, but there's lots of ways you can use it. But if you watch this video, cross list to Whatnot, List Perfectly, type in Bolo Buddies, that will pull it up. Or you can go to my YouTube channel, and I have a search bar, and you can put Whatnot, List Perfectly, or Whatnot for beginners to see those tutorials. But you can get 30% off your first month with coupon referral code bolobuddies in the link below. And that is off of List Perfectly. So check out the tutorials, see if it's a good fit for you. Definitely use that buy it now, guys. All right, let's look at some more. This one is a vintage stag deer belt buckle. This one is another one that sat on the platforms for a long time. I'm talking years. It wasn't on Whatnot very long, and it sold for $19.20. This one sold pretty, sorry. The belt buckle was $18. This one was $19.20. This was a Princess Diana pinback. I listed it, and it sold very quickly in my buy it now on Whatnot. So again, this was just something that I was like, I could put this in a brooch show. Probably might get $3 to $5 for it. But somebody who loves Princess Diana, you got to wait on the right buyer sometimes when you put things in the buy it now. It's not always a quick flip. In this case, it did sell pretty quickly for $19.20. Egg-shaped Christmas music box. If you guys have trinket boxes, oh my goodness, get them cross-posted to Whatnot. I have sold four. This one sold for $26. I did cross post this one to all platforms and it sold quicker on Whatnot. Now this one, and this one, I did not list on the other platforms. I just put them on Whatnot really quickly after my egg show. So I had an egg show, an auction show. I went to a garage. It was like a garage sale, estate sale. It was inside, so it was an estate sale, but they had stuff in their garage too. And I bought all of their eggs. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do an egg show. I also did a vintage pencil sharpener show. Oh my goodness, it was fabulous. Both very fun shows. But these did not sell. I want to say, I don't know if I started them at 5 or 10. I may have, I can't remember, but they did not sell. So I put them on Whatnot and they sold really quickly. I sold this one for 15, this one for 10, and this one for 15. And it may be a different order there, but I think that's two were 15 and one was 10. These earrings are aqua blue enamel 925 silver drop earrings. They're gorgeous. This sold during a show from my Buy It Now, and I sold these for $40. Mattel Vintage Barbie Skate Mates, another one that has been on the platform sitting, did not sell quickly over there. Put it on Whatnot, and it sold, I think, within like a week. So it is a Barbie Skate Mates skate dress. Fisher Price Little People Dog, another item that sold very quickly on Whatnot and sat on the platforms, sold for $7. Not a big money bolo, but you guys, these are little things that people are picking up. This is a Lenny and Eva leather bracelet. I love this brand, Lenny and Eva, and it has the metal plaque on it. It says, I love you more. It's adjustable. I sold this during a show with a best offer of $25.60. The bird brooch, the dove, I got this one from, I'm pretty sure I got that from Geek Nurse's Treasure Show also. And again, when I buy on Whatnot, sometimes I put the items on the platforms. Number one, it's a great way for me to be able to shout out other sellers and help you guys find good places to source, right? Probably paid $3 for this, but sometimes I get bundles from her, so it may have even have been less. But it sold for $23, and it seems like carved mother of pearl brooches are doing really good right now. So definitely be on the lookout for those. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the tutorials, Whatnot for Beginners, Bolo Buddies. If you want to learn how to sell on Whatnot, those referral links are in the description. If you want to start cross posting, if you're on other platforms, get those items over to Whatnot. Try a new marketplace. List perfectly. You can check out that tutorial. Also, check out the tutorial first. I always recommend that, guys, because you got to see if it's a good fit for you. And I walk you through it step by step on all of those. So I'm Bolo Buddies over there. Just so you guys know, I've been on Whatnot about, I think I'm going to say about 3 years now, and I have sold 66.7 thousand items. And I tell you that to let you know that Whatnot is the quick flip, okay? It's the quick flip. It's not like selling on a platform where you sit and wait for your items to sell, right? It's totally different. When you do auction style, you are selling things cheaper. A lot of people are buying your items to flip on other platforms, but they also do buy items for personal use. So anyway, check out my Buy It Now, but come to a show more importantly and hang out. Even if you don't want to buy anything, just come hang out, get to know the platform and see if it's a good fit for you. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.